Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. Have you ever become angry because of something very small? Not a big problem, just one rude person.
Yes, that happens to me all the time. And honestly, I do not like it. I do not want to be an angry person, but I get angry so often. Yesterday, I was driving. The light turned green. 1 second later, the car behind me honked. Beep, beep. I felt angry right away. Last week, I was in an elevator. The door opened. I tried to get out. 3 people rushed in. Nobody moved. Nobody waited. I just stood there. I thought, what is wrong with people? Then there's another thing. A narrow street. 3 people walking side by side. They see me, I see them, but I'm the one who moves. Every time. Why? I know these are small things, but they keep happening. Then I feel angry again. Am I too sensitive?
Maybe.
Maybe? That's not the answer I expected.
Let me ask you something first. When someone does these things, what makes you angry? Is it the lost time?
No, it's only a few seconds.
Then what is it?
I think it's the attitude. They don't care. They only think about themselves. That makes me angry.
Good. Then the elevator is not the problem. The street is not the problem. The horn is not the problem. You're angry because you think people should act better.
Shouldn't they?
Yes.
Then why am I wrong?
I didn't say you're wrong. I asked a different question. Do you think they'll change?
Probably not.
Then why are you surprised every time?
Because it's wrong.
Yes, but it still happens. Every day. Think about this. Have you ever seen rain?
Of course.
Do you like rain every time?
No.
Does rain ask for your opinion?
No.
It simply falls. Now think about rude people. You don't like them, but they still exist. Every city, every country, every year.
So you're saying rude people are like rain?
In one way, yes.
That sounds unfair. They should know they're wrong.
Maybe. But are you talking about them, or are you talking about your peace?
My peace.
Then stay with that question. You cannot control other people, but you keep trying.
I'm not trying to control them.
Really? Then why are you angry when they don't act the way you want?
I never thought about it like that.
Most people don't. Yesterday, it was the elevator. Today, it's the driver. Tomorrow, it may be someone blocking the train door. The faces change, the place changes, but your anger stays the same. Have you noticed that?
Yes, it is always the same feeling. Like something inside me says, people should know better.
Exactly. And there's the trap. Listen carefully. People should know better, but many do not. People should be polite, but many are not. People should follow rules, but many will not. If your happiness depends on other people being polite, you will suffer every day.
Then what should I do? Just stay quiet?
No. If there is danger, speak. If someone gets hurt, help. But most of your stories are different. They are small moments that steal a lot of energy. Let me tell you a story. Long ago, a man followed a wise teacher. One day, another man became very angry. He shouted, He called them bad names. He followed them for hours. The student became very angry too. He wanted to fight. Then the teacher asked, "If someone gives you a gift and you do not take it, whose gift is it?"
It stays with the giver.
Correct. Then the teacher said, "Anger can be like that. Think about it. A rude person already lost their peace. Must you lose yours too?"
But sometimes I speak up, and it becomes an argument. Then they act like I'm the bad person. That makes me even more angry.
Because you expected a different ending.
Yes.
You expected sorry, but you got, "What did I do wrong?" The first pain came from the rude action. The second pain came from your expectation. Which one stayed longer?
The second one.
There's your answer.
I think I understand, but it still feels unfair. The rude person wins. I lose my peace. That doesn't seem right.
Then let me ask one more question. What is your goal? To punish rude people?
No, not really.
To teach strangers a lesson?
No, probably not.
Then what do you want?
I want to live peacefully.
Good. Then stop using the wrong tool. Anger is not the right tool for peace.
What do you mean?
Every day you try to fix strangers, but your real goal is to protect your own heart. Those are two different jobs.
I never thought about it that way.
Most people do not. They spend years trying to change people they will never meet again. Think about last month. Do you remember the driver who honked at you?
Yes.
Does that person remember you?
Probably not.
Think about the person who rushed into the elevator.
Yes.
Does that person remember you?
No.
But you carried them in your mind. That's heavy work, and nobody asked you to do it.
That is true. But how do I stop?
Start small, very small. The next time it happens, do not ask, "Why is this person like this?" Ask, "Do I want to carry this person for the next 30 minutes?"
That is a strange question.
Exactly. Strange questions can open new doors. Imagine this. A driver cuts in front of you. Your heart gets hot. Your face gets tight. Anger is coming. Then say one simple sentence. Another one.
That is all?
Yes, that is all. Not because the behavior is good, not because you agree, not because you are weak, but because you see the truth. This person exists, right here, right now. Fighting reality only creates more pain.
So I should see things as they are?
Yes, a rude person is a rude person. Rain is rain. Traffic is traffic. An angry stranger is an angry stranger. You do not need to invite them into your heart. There's an old teaching. Before changing the world, learn to take care of yourself. Many people do the opposite. They try to fix the whole world, but they can't sleep at night. They know everyone's problems, but they don't know how to calm their own mind. Think about that. Which job is harder?
Looking after my own mind.
Yes, and that's where real work begins. Today's soul sentence is simple. I can follow the rule, but I cannot control the world. Let that stay with you. I can follow the rule, but I cannot control the world. You can be kind. You can be polite. You can do the right thing, but you cannot decide how strangers behave. And that's okay. Peace begins when you stop carrying what was never yours. Let me ask everyone watching, What small thing makes you angry again and again? Is it a rude driver? Someone cutting in line? Someone talking loudly on the phone? Tell me in the comments. I want to hear your story. In our next video, we'll talk about another hidden source of pain. Why do we keep trying to get respect from people who never respected us? The answer may surprise you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave a like. Members can also get the full lesson PDF in their own language. It includes the script, keywords, lesson summary, and deeper explanations. It's a great tool for review and self-study. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.